Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to edit your region on Facebook using your PC, especially with the new update. If you've been wanting to change your location for any reason, just follow these simple steps. First, the very first thing you need to do is open your Facebook account. Head over to your favorite web browser. Type in facebook.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you need to click on your profile. You can find your profile picture at the top left corner. Just click on it, and you'll be directed to your profile page. Next, look for the About section on your profile. It's usually located right under your profile picture. Click on it, and you'll see various details about yourself. From there, find the Places Lived option. This is where all your location information is stored. Now it's time to make the change. Click on Edit Current City. A new window will pop up, allowing you to enter your new city or update your current location. Make sure to type in the correct city or region you want to display. Once you've made your edit, don't forget to save your changes. Simply tap the Save button, and voila! Your region has been successfully updated, and that's it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now you know how to edit your region on Facebook using your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.